In today's video, I will be doing a split cup using black and white only, so stick around and check it out. Hey everybody, so today I am going to be working on a 12 by 12 canvas, and I do have it on my cake turntable or spinner, if you will. I am using my double split cup. I have used my 4 in the past, so today I thought I would try my double, and I'm only going to be using 2 colors. I've got Artist Loft Flow Acrylic White with Liquitex Basics Titanium White, also Liquitex Basics Mars Black, and Artist Loft Flow Acrylic Black. Both of these colors are mixed with my regular pouring medium, which is Liquitex pouring medium, Floetrol, and water, and I don't have any silicone or anything added to either of these paints today. Alright, so my double split cup will be available soon in my Etsy store. My quad cup is already available, so if you are interested in that, my link will be in my description. And I just want you guys to see the spout on my cup is key to this. You can see there is not a drip going down the front of the cup. I have more control over my pour because I can actually see my colors coming out of the cup instead of having to try to look down underneath to see where the paint's at. So that's why I designed my own cup. Alright, so with that, I am going to let you guys watch how this develops, and I'll be back in a jiff. Okay, so here we go with the dried photos, and I am really happy with how this dried. It looks exactly the same. I love the design that I got from my split cup, so I'd love to hear your guys' thoughts, so leave me a comment below. Don't forget to like my video and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Also, if you could share this video, I do really appreciate it. It helps me out more than you know. And I have a bunch more videos that I know you will enjoy as well, and I will catch you in the next one.